Today I am going to share cow brain masala or Bhuna recipe. Cow brain, 3 pieces. It has a very tiny vein. Just follow how I am cleaning. Very easy. All done. Cut it. Oil 1 cup. Green cardamom 5 piece. Bay leaf 4 piece, cinnamon sticks 4 piece, cloves 6/7 pieces, black pepper 10/12. Stir and fry few seconds. Onion 1 cup. Fry until light brown. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon each. Stir and fry 1 minute. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Sauté 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add chopped tomato 1 cup. Salt to taste. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 6 to 7 minutes on low heat. Stir after sometimes. After 7 minutes, add brain. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 10 minutes. Stir. Water as required. Add green chili. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Mix. Fresh coriander leaf. Mix. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.